Ooh. Smells like fresh cut wood. What do we got going on in here? Well, that's interesting. So my dad has been working on stuff on my rental house for me, which is amazing. And that is all the cedar for those, and those are for the gate. So I have a rental house, not that that's ever come up on this channel before, and my rental house is pretty close to where I live, and my dad is retired and he is amazing and he goes and takes care of my rental house for me, and my renters noticed that there was a problem with the gate on the fence, and they gave my dad a call, and my dad went down and took down the old gate. You know what, I'm gonna give him a call. Let's put him on speaker. I was wondering why my deadbolt was unlocked on the garage. Well, I have quick set locks on the garage and it was unlocked, so let's give my dad a call and see what he's got to say.
Hey, bud.
Hey there.
Hey, bud.
What's going on?
Let's see, they tore down your gates today and decided not to screw them. They were so full of nails, I just took everything to the dump, $11. And I tried to take a look at the lock, but they didn't answer the door. I suspect they were both in bed since she was actually home. And so I sent them a text message, and by that time I was at Lowe's, and they said they were leaving for the day. Said I'd text them tomorrow about coming and taking a look at the lock. So they said that sounded good. So that's where we're at. Then when I bought wood, I got it stacked up in your garage because it's so wet. I'm trying to do anything to get a little water out, so I got it all spread out in your garage. I don't know if you saw that or not.
Yeah, I'm actually up there right now.
So that's why that's all spread out. And that wood is not cedar, it's preserved white wood. I talked to a guy who was actually loading up when I was there. He said he found that it lasts longer than cedar, but he says if you're not going to paint it or stain it, he says it turns gray. It's not like cedar that he says turns a nice color. He says it turns gray. Not a problem.
Okay.
That's the whole story.
Alrighty. Well, I will shoot you a message or give you a call when I get off tomorrow.
Okay, bud.
All right. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
I am cruising over to my dad's place to pick him up real quick, and we are gonna go over to the rental house and begin installing this fence. You sure we're gonna just cruising on down there? You've established this, we're gonna work on the fence thing, and we're just gonna randomly show up whenever. That's right. I don't feel like you have. I feel like you think you have, but I don't think like you've actually laid it out that clearly to them. You seem to think it's all right. I seem to think that this is a problem. If I seem to, there's probably a happy medium in between that is not your way, but it's not quite my way.
All right, well, right where my dad's digging at is where the post goes for the side of the fence, and the other side attaches here. Okay, so let me get the braces on. So we forgot to bring a hose. We thought we had one out here, but we're going to use my box for water.
They make it so you don't go deaf.
Yeah, I know, I already went there. Not with the ship.
You good? You happy with that?
I think that's the way you do it.
Yep. Sounds good to me.
They use that for the square. You got all the bolts?
Yeah, in my pocket. This is why I bought more drills.
Nice. Ripped it, baby. We gotta put on.
Very standard.
No, do this one first and then we'll.
Yeah, John. There you go. You're still on the bubble.
Did you hold that?
Yep. Where do you want it? Over here?
No, it's generally pointed at what we're doing.
Yep.
Oh, flip it around though.
Oh, can't like that. Oh, there we go. Is it actually working?
Yeah, you can't see on the screen doesn't come on.
Okay.
Lost my socket. There's my socket.
Well, they don't put much paint on those, do they?
Good. You can blow through the back.
Okay. As long as it's square to the bottom, we're good.
Pretty good.